Hey guys, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got two boxes of things that I'm going to be putting on the Hooked on Pickin store. So I want to show you and give you guys kind of an exclusive sneak peek of what's brand new on the store so that you can run out there on hookedonpickin.com. Now I know that this is kind of the weekend before Christmas, but that's okay because I am shipping super fast. So I have found UPS is the best way to go as far as fast shipping, but we're going to open this boxes and find out what's inside.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so these boxes are from a wholesaler. Now, I love wholesalers just simply because you're going to be able to get product that is brand new and you're going to be able to replenish the product on a regular basis so that you don't have to recreate product listings and all that. You just simply change your quantities and you have more available. Plus, you can usually get really discounted prices. So let's go ahead and open this box. We love to sell from wholesalers.
You were terrifying with a knife.
It's just on there tight. There we go. Paul didn't want to get very close. Looks like a spider now. All right, what is in this box? It is for Hooked on Pickin. Do you see that? I love that they just write my name on it. Okay, I hope these are what I think they are. I think these are the leather journals. I'm really hoping they're the kind that we wanted. We were running low on. Yep. These are the Tree of Life journals. They look like this. They're leather bound. Have a little clasp here. And I love the paper. Look at the paper. It's not exactly even, and it's kind of textured a little bit. I think they're pretty amazing. So,
What's the binding look like? Look at that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's cool. And look at the back. The back is even really cool
It's
looking.
a great book.
Yeah.
Great journal.
So we have these available. I think we're selling them for $20 a piece.
Yep.
On Hooked on Pickin. And so we also have a cross one that has a cross on the front of it. Looks exactly like it with the hook and latch and everything. And so that one is going to be $20 as well. So if you're looking for gift ideas, these are great ones. They're so big and thick and you can just use them forever. So a very unique thing. It's better than just buying a simple notepad for your loved one. So I think that's everything. You bought 24, I think. So this entire box are the Tree of Life journals, and then, like I said, we do have the cross ones as well. So, and just so you know, my supplier of masks sent me some new Christmas ones. I just wanted to quick show you. So if you're looking for something like that, you got these plaid ones, and these were hot sellers. These snowflake ones were super popular, and I ordered a bunch of those. And then, of course, we have our fun candy cane ones, too. And they're no fog masks. But I wanted to quick show you that just because they just came in. I just put them back in the store. So I wanted to show you, hey, go ahead and check out the cool masks. We still do have the American flag masks that you guys like, too. And so you can grab those. My younger daughter, who is 11, wears these as well, and they fit her great because somebody was asking, are they good for kids? And yeah, they are.
They're pretty adjustable.
They're adjustable. They do have adjusters on the side, and they work great for kids too. And she loves them because she does wear glasses, and they're a lot easier. So, all right, what is in this box? I think we bought some really fun stuff. Whoa, we got some. Boom, pepper sprays. So this is a 2-pack, but we sell them individually. So if you want some pepper sprays, we've got those on the store. And you can pay with secure credit card checkout when you buy anything off the store. So we have a lot of those in there. I think we bought some new stuff too. I can't remember exactly. We'll have to look. Then and all this will be available on the store, hookedonpickin.com, as soon as you see this video. Oh yeah, we had only one of these left. This is the Marine Striker knife. If you're looking for a specific other branch, like I have a lot of friends I have a friend that's a good Marine and a couple other ones in our church that go to our church. But I was in the Army, you know, so there's sometimes Army-specific things. If I can get this box open. Oh, there's more tape on it. I missed. That's why. You just got to be smarter than the box, Heather. Smarter than the box. All right. There we go. So this is a really cool, very industrial, foldable knife. It says Marines on it with the Eagle Globe and Anchor. And then it says Marines on the blade. Very smooth opening blade. So it comes with the cool box too. I gotta figure out. There we go. You just push that to the side and it closes back down. And it's got a little belt clip hook. So really nice Marine striker knife is what it's called. And they do have other ones. So I'll be on the lookout for the other branches of service as well, so that we can make those available as well. So we have this many in this little box for the Marine striker knife. I just think the box is really neat. So that's a cool box. All right, so the Marine striker knives. Then we've got, I think these are our gift box ones. We were selling really fast on some of our foldable. We have knives that have fish, bear, eagle, and deer on them. I think we were running low on one kind, so we're going to see which kind this one is. And our deer one has changed. It used to be a buck in the woods, and now it's like a white-tailed deer. So it's a little different. Comes in a cool, nifty gift box. And this one is the deer one. Yep. So you would actually unfold it, and it actually displays, if you can see the little display section there in the thing. But so it's got the deer on this side and the deer on this side. Here, we'll just pull it out and show you how it displays. So when you give it as a gift, you just simply put it in the box like that. Pretty neat, huh? So we have bear ones, fish ones, deer ones, and eagle ones. So if you're not a hunter, then I don't remember, see where the opening is on this, so we'll put this back. So we do have a bunch of those available on the store. Those are $10 a piece for all the box ones. And if you buy over $100 in shipping, you can get free shipping on that. We'll put that back in there. There we go. Put it back in the box. So these are the 6025s, is what it says on the box. So I think this other box might be the same one, but we're going to look. So those are the deer. I think we bought the same thing over here, 6025. We sold the deer so fast when they came in, especially the white-tailed ones are a lot prettier of a knife. Yeah, 6025. So these, I ordered 12, so there's 6 in each box. So those are both deer knives. Oh my goodness, look at the fun we got down here. So this is an M9 bayonet. Buy this specifically, I think, for someone.
Yeah.
I bought this
special order.
This was a special order from someone that requested it.
Yeah, it's for a bayonet.
Yep. So I will contact them and let them know. That's what it looks like.
It's a daggum sword.
Yeah, it does. Comes with like a ballistic holster and the little latch to go on your buckle and stuff, and then the actual knife. It's like a Rambo knife.
Yeah, it is.
That thing is thick. Look how thick that thing is. That's a wicked looking knife. So, that is that one. So, probably a good hunter knife, I would say. So, yep.
It's a cool knife.
This is the bayonet knife, they call it. So, put it back in all of its proper packaging. So yeah, this one was a special order. So if you're looking for anything in specifics, now it does take about a 2-week turnaround once I order it to get it to me, and then maybe another week shipping to get it to you. So just be aware of that. Then we've got this. Oh, this was actually a gift.
Yeah.
This is a cool military combo set we got. So it's a knife, flashlight, and another knife. So It's got 2 little knives, flashlight, and another knife. The picture kind of does it justice. I don't want to try to take everything out and have it be impossible to get back together. But
that's a neat little set.
Yeah, it is. And it's got a little belt loop thing, so you can wear it on a belt.
Yep. It's made by Right Edge.
Yep. Which is a really, really
Right
good.
Edge. It's a good brand.
Yep. And then, who doesn't need a tomahawk in their life?
We got 2.
We got 2 tomahawks we're going to put on the store.
His and hers tomahawks.
His and hers tomahawks. That's exactly what it's for.
Bring them to marital counseling.
Yep. Bring them to marital counseling. Why, you going to tomahawk the pastor if he doesn't say the right thing?
Solve something.
This is what they look like.
What is this? No.
Is it in a...
I don't think it was supposed to be in there.
No, I don't think so either. All right. So this is actually... Huh.
Maybe. I don't know.
Just to a piece of cardboard, probably so it doesn't move around and break through the box.
Could be.
But it's got little gold, see the little diamond shape.
Yeah.
It is sharp, very sharp. Someone said it looks like a peace pipe. This is not the peace pipe. This
Right.
is just a replica of a tomahawk.
Yeah, this
So-
this isn't hollow.
Yes.
It's a hollow. This is a little bit hollow.
Yeah.
This isn't, the shaft isn't hollow.
It's got leather strapping on the handle, which is really cool. So, yep.
Oh.
So we have 2 of the tomahawks available on the store. So if you want to buy them, get them quick. They don't have a lot in stock from our wholesaler, and so we try to get them when we can. And that is what we have new on Hooked on Pickin, right there behind me, hookedonpickin.com. So you can go to the store. We have tons of other new things on the store as well. We've been putting some jewelry pieces on our Poshmark store, so check all the links of all the new things that we've been looking for. And hopefully it was fun to see this unboxing of very unique items. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have not seen any of our fire sales, make sure you check them out. They're usually on Fridays at noon Central Standard Time. You can also order anything you like off the hookedonpickin.com store, and I will ship it usually same day or next day. So if you're in a hurry to get a gift, make sure you do that shipping right away. But we would love to be able to also help you learn how to be a reseller. I offer consultation phone calls, Poshmark e-books, and random other resources under the reseller section of my website. So check those out. You may find them very interesting. Thanks.